In a world bustling with endless noise, constant rush, and countless dreams, there is a secret lying quietly at the heart of the universe. Today, I invite you on a journey within, to discover how your feelings can unlock the gates to abundance. Hello and welcome to Feeling is Abundance. I'm thrilled to share a story with you, a story that might just change how you see everything. This isn't just any story. It's a tale of transformation, hope, and the power of emotion. Meet Alex, a person much like you or me. Alex's life was a constant race against time, bills to pay, deadlines to meet, and a never-ending sense of scarcity. But then, something remarkable happened. Sitting in this park one spring morning, Alex met an old friend, Jordan, who seemed somehow different. Radiant, peaceful, successful. Jordan. It's all about how you feel, Alex. Abundance isn't about having, it's about being. When you change your emotional landscape, you change your life. Inspired, Alex began to cultivate feelings of gratitude, joy, and abundance, despite external circumstances. Life began to respond. Opportunities knocked where none had appeared before. Relationships deepened. Health improved. For the first time, Alex felt truly wealthy. And so, what changed for Alex? It was a simple, profound shift in feeling, from scarcity to abundance. This story exemplifies a universal truth. The quality of our lives is a reflection of the quality of our emotions. Every smile you share, every moment of peace you create, every bit of love you foster, turns the wheel of abundance in your life. As we conclude our journey today, remember, the path to abundance is already within you. It starts with a feeling. Nurture it, believe in it, and watch as the world transforms around you. Thank you for joining me on Feeling is Abundance. Embrace your feelings, unlock your potential, and step into the abundance that awaits you. Don't forget to subscribe and share this journey with others. Until next time, feel abundantly and live prosperously.